Okay, next index rule, we're looking at something called the powers rule. Okay, take for example a situation like this one here. We've got 2 to the power of 5 and it's in brackets and the whole thing is squared. Okay, well, let's expand that and have a look at what that means. That means that what's inside the brackets, 2 to the power of 5, is multiplied by itself because it's being squared. Okay, and we know from our other rule, the multiplication rule, that if I have something that looks like that, that then becomes adding the powers to the power of 10. Okay, and we're all about shortcuts here, so let's see if there's a shortcut. Well, there is. 5 times 2 is 10. So we can just do, okay, 2 to the power of 5 times 2. And that becomes 2 to the power of 10. So, just fix that up, 2 to the power of 10. So when you have a index that's raised again to another power, okay, like here, that means that you multiply the two powers. Okay, let's take a look at an example down here. We've got 2 and outside the brackets, a squared is inside the brackets, and that's raised to the power of 3. Okay, so let's use our new rule that we've got. Well, the 2 out the front, okay, which is here, is actually outside the, so it's just 2. It's not being affected by anything. And then we have our a squared that is raised to the power of 3. Okay, and remember our new rule, multiply those. So that becomes a to the 2 times 3, which is 2a to the 6.